तो बेटा आज मेरी लाइफ का वन ऑफ द प्राउड मोमेंट है। तो बेटा आई एम सीइंग दिस फोटोग्राफ ऑफ योर्स विद प्रेसिडेंट मैडम। व्हाट इज द स्टोरी बिहाइंड दिस?
My father was emotional. I saw my father emotional for the first time in my life.
Tell me about your experience of IIT Bhilai. Means what you did over there along. Of course, you have done the study, but other than study, what you did? How was your experience of IIT Bhilai? Hello, Negi soldiers. तो बेटा आज मेरी लाइफ का वन ऑफ द प्राउड मोमेंट है। मेरा नेगी सोल्जर रोहित, जिसको मैंने कॉलेज के टाइम से देखा है, सेकंड ईयर से देखा है, आज वो सेलेक्ट हो चुका है HPCL में, हिंदुस्तान पेट्रोलियम में। तो इनवाइट करता हूं रोहित को। रोहित, वेलकम, कांग्रेचुलेशन बेटा, सुपर प्राउड ऑफ यू। अरे सुपर प्राउड ऑफ यू। तो हम लोग पहले फेलिसिटेट करते हैं और फिर रोहित से उसकी जर्नी के बारे में जानेंगे। और मी ये एक छोटा सा बुक है। यस, तो रोहित, let us tell future Negi soldiers who are going to be in IIT, who are going to be in PSU, जो लोग एस्पायर कर रहे हैं, उनको आप अपनी जर्नी के बारे में बताओ।
Hello all. I'm so happy to meet sir actually. It's a dream for me actually after meeting sir after a long time. I came to sir in my BTech second year where I was not so streamlined about my goals. But the moment I saw sir, he was so motivating for me. I joined as an offline student to him, and because of COVID, I had to stop the offline coaching.
You joined in 2019?
19.
Okay.
2019 I have joined. Afterwards, I joined Unacademy in 2020.
Okay, along with me.
Along with sir. Along with sir. Only with sir, always with sir. So after that, I got into MTech IIT Bhilai, manufacturing domain. So after my MTech, I got placed into a company, and I was not so happy with my works. So I felt like after learning so much, I wanted to be in a PSU or a public sector, whatever it is. So after that, I called sir and asked sir, I want to do something. I want to change my stream. Like I want to get into government like organizations. Then sir helped me. Within a short span of 2 months, I had my exam. Everything in the exam were from sir notes. I could say the first question was from sir notes. And I'm telling you, who did coaching from sir will have sir photo in the mind the moment you see the paper. Everything is from sir notes. So after that, I got into HPCL, and I'm so happy I met sir. I'm meeting sir now. I wish all, I can tell a few things. Thermal, Negi sir. XC, Negi sir. These are something like a matching words. So thank you so much, sir. I'm so happy to be a student, and I'll be a student forever, sir. Thank you, sir.
So, but I'm seeing this photograph of yours with President Madam. What is the story behind this?
During my master's, sir, actually I got a director gold medal from President ma'am. So I was the best outgoing student of my batch, for which 20 to 24 batch. So I'm so happy, sir. Actually, getting this also is sir's blessing for me, because I went to IIT Bhilai and I got this thing. So in every possible way, I can say sir is a blessing to me always. To be genuine, I can say to meet Madam President, it's not an easy thing. It should be something great in life. I just felt I'm so lucky. It's like a moment in my life which came off a sudden and made me get in this place. It was the best moment of my life. My father was emotional. I saw my father emotional for the first time in my life.
Okay.
So that was the best thing for me.
For me also, actually. So you started your journey with Unacademy in 2020, and then you joined IIT Bhilai. In IIT Bhilai, means which specialization you joined?
I joined design manufacturing, sir.
What was your experience of that?
Actually, after joining IIT Bhilai is where we can choose our domain. It's not like other IITs. We have the prior choice.
Okay. You are joining the college, and then their things are getting decided.
Yes, sir. For my batch, from afterwards, it changed.
Okay.
Again, after joining MTech, I called sir and asked, sir, I am confused what to do now. So sir told me, sir told some good points about the future job, everything. So after that, I felt, depending on professors, I have chosen a proper domain, and I took manufacturing as my domain. But thermal was the reason I went to IIT, for sure, I can say.
Where are your friends now from the same college?
I have done my BTech from 𝐂𝐤𝐴𝐻PCL, sir.
𝐂𝐤𝐴𝐻PCL,
yes, sir. So, and I came to coaching here with my friend Vamsi. He is in NPCL now.
Vamsi.
Yes, sir. He got in fourth year itself. He got into a PSU, but I went to masters, and now I am into HPCL.
I remember come to my cabin and asking the doubts and all, and sitting. I think you people used to sit on the first bench, both of you, both friends.
It's like, sir, it is like a experience with you, like seeing you teaching and getting things, and it was the best moment actually. The best moment.
For me, proud moment that my students are getting selected in some PSUs, in IITs, in IC Bangalore, and these are the kids. I'm sorry, I'm saying you kids, kid actually, because I have seen from their second years, went to their college, and I have given seminar. Then they were motivated for GATE and ESC preparation. Then they came to me for offline coaching, and actually from that batch, so many students are now in good positions actually. And then suddenly the COVID came. I joined Unacademy in 2020 March. Then these people also joined Unacademy, and I'm very happy that now he got whatever he wanted actually. He was always there for the government job actually. Then in 2022, you joined IIT Bhilai. He was having not very good GATE score, decent GATE score. So I told him you join MTech and then you carry on your preparation and all. Tell me about your experience of IIT Bhilai, means what you did over there along. Of course, you have done the study, but other than study, what you did? How was your experience of IIT Bhilai?
So basically, I could say wherever is a brand for sure.
Yes.
IIT streamed my life actually. It gave me new opportunities, new people who are very much experienced in their domains. So I learned a lot from people. And after that, even I was into various clubs. So actually, I'm from a college where there's so much of activities. So after getting into IIT, there was a lot of enjoyment, things, studies, research work going on, faculty and everything. It's amazing experience. I was a captain of motorsports. I was into various clubs actually. So these all things made me an all-rounder, and I'm here actually. So, and actually this kind of person was actually Nigi sir's influence to be active always. The energy sir gives us that's a source of energy, you can say. Thank you, sir.
Yes. So I'm telling you now, look, one boy from the not from an IIT, from a decent college, average college, you can say, now standing beside president, it's a good feeling. It's a proud moment for me also. So look, I will be saying that he is now one of the complete package. Look, he completed his masters and he got the PSU also. So I always say, means I don't know why I'm little inclined towards the higher education, because what I feel when you go to means reputed institutes like IIT and all, so you got different kind of exposure, and that is actually required for the future life. So means what you felt going to IIT Bhilai, what are the extra things, means what are the extra features you got in your life?
The first thing is management skills, sir.
Management
skills, and even competition, to be competitive in every field, because everybody is experienced there.
Yes.
They want to win. Winning is their prime motive. So I always wanted to my best of my efforts. I was in various positions on my MTech. So I was taking I was a mess coordinator. There was a lot of things I was handling. So I learned how to be a team worker, how to be a
okay,
and a lot of things, sir.
Great. So you are the mess coordinator for hostel.
No, sir. Actually, we have a common. It's a new IIT. It's a JP IIT. So we had a common mess.
Okay, common mess.
So actually, I gained a lot of weight. You can see actually. So
that weight is coming from
mess. Yeah, so that's the reason.
Excellent. Okay, so what were the emotions of your parents when you told? When you informed to your parents, your father, your mother, that finally you got selected in HPCL, what were their emotions?
Actually, I wanted to tell this from past long time, but it took some time for me after my MTech. So I was very happy. So the moment I saw my mail that you got an offer of officer in HPCL, I was so happy. I called my father and told that, Dad, I am an officer at HPCL now. He was like, father, sir, basically, who don't express a bit fast.
Will not express
fast,
too much.
So he was praising me so much that day on call, and my mom still crying. She was so happy, crying. She still happy. Like every day she's thinking about saying, you have a good son. So she's so happy, sir, actually.
I hope those who are seeing us, watching us, listening us, they will be motivated in future. तो यार अगर आप मेहनत करते हो ना, तो I will be saying one thing, आज नहीं तो कल आपको सक्सेस मिलनी ही मिलनी है. Look, his friend Vamsi, he got nuclear power in 4th year itself. जैसे उसका 4th year complete हुआ, he went to the nuclear power. इट टुक सम टाइम फॉर हिम. ही फर्स्ट वेंट टू IIT भिलई और फिर वहां से अब को मिली है. लेकिन आई एम अगेन टेलिंग यू, अगर आपको ना IIT का एक्सपोजर मिलता है, ऐसा मतलब कुछ अपॉर्चुनिटी आपको मिलती है कि आप हायर एजुकेशन के लिए जा सकते हो, तो डोंट टेक इट एज नेगेटिव. आई एम टेलिंग यू, हायर एजुकेशन अगर आप किसी अच्छे इंस्टीट्यूट से करते हो तो वहां जो एक्सपोजर मिलता है ना, आई विल बी टेलिंग यू फ्रैंकली कि आज जो आपके सामने नेगी सर खड़े हैं, मतलब मेरी जो पर्सनालिटी इस तरीके से डेवलप हुई है उसमें कहीं ना कहीं IIT बॉम्बे का बहुत बड़ा रोल है. हो सकता है अगर मैं IIT बॉम्बे नहीं गया होता तो मैं इस तरीके से बहुत सारे बच्चों को नहीं पढ़ा रहा होता, या फिर जो भी मैं कर रहा हूं शायद वो नहीं कर पाता. कहीं ना कहीं यार एक पॉजिटिव इम्पैक्ट तो होता ही है लाइफ में. तो टेल मी वन मोर थिंग, लेट मी सी दैट वेदर यू कैन कैच दिस और नॉट. अभी आप 2 साल भिलाई में रहे, तो अभी आपको हिंदी समझ में आती है? आती है? बात कर सकते हो हिंदी में? अच्छा, थोड़ा सा बात करके दिखाओ.
मेरा नाम रोहित है, मैं MTech IIT भिलाई से किया हूँ. तो अभी मैं सर के सामने हूँ एंड मैं बहुत खुश हूँ सर से मिलके. I can, yeah.
Your Hindi is now better than me actually. तो यार ये मेरा बच्चा रोहित एंड आई एम वेरी हैप्पी फॉर हिम. लुक वट एवर वी आर डिस्कसिंग मीन्स आई एम डिस्कसिंग फ्रॉम माई हार्ट. वी आर वेरी इमोशनली कनेक्टेड. So all the best, beta. And I want one more thing from you. Can you suggest something to the future aspirants in Telugu? In Telugu, I want you to address means some advice or something, whatever you want to say to the future aspirants, some kind of your journey experience, whatever you want to share, but say in Telugu.
So friends, మనం బేసికలీ ఏంటంటే 20 బీటెక్ అనే ఏజ్ ఉంది చూడండి, ఇట్స్ వెరీ ఇంపార్టెంట్. బీటెక్ టైంలో మనం ఫిక్స్ అవ్వాలి, అంటే ఏం గోల్ చేయాలి, ఏం ఫిక్స్ అవ్వాలి. సో ఫిక్స్ యువర్ గోల్ ఫిక్స్ అవ్వండి స్టార్టింగ్, అండ్ వర్క్ ఫర్ ఇట్. ఆఫ్టర్ గోల్ రీచ్ అయ్యాక యూ కెన్ డూ వాట్ ఎవర్ యూ వాంట్. సో పాయింట్ ఏంటంటే బీటెక్లో కొంచెం సీరియస్గా ఉండొచ్చు, చిల్ అవ్వండి. ఐఎమ్ నాట్ సెయింగ్ డోంట్ ఎంజాయ్ యువర్ బీటెక్ లైఫ్, బట్ ప్యారలీ ఫిక్స్ యువర్ గోల్స్ ఫిక్స్ అవ్వండి, దాని ఎఫర్ట్స్ పెట్టండి. ఆటోమేటిక్గా మీరు ఎర్లీ ఏజ్ సెటిల్ అయిపోతే విల్ హ్యావ్ ఆల్ ద డోర్స్ ఓపెన్ టు ఎంజాయ్ యువర్ లైఫ్ అండ్ ఈవెన్ లైక్ హ్యావ్ ఎ బెటర్ స్మూత్ లైఫ్. ఇంకా ఎఫర్ట్స్ లైక్ పుట్టింగ్ ఎఫర్ట్స్ మొత్తం లైఫ్ లాంగ్ పెట్టే కన్నా ఎర్లీగా లైఫ్ ఎఫర్ట్స్ పెట్టుకొని సెటిల్ అయిపోతే బాగుంటుంది. I'm sorry, you use some English, but
no, fine. I will try. I will try to translate in Hindi now. तो what रोहित ने क्या बोला? रोहित ने बोला है कि यार देखो, जब आप कॉलेज में हो ना, तो वहीं पर ही आप अपना गोल फिक्स कर लो कि आपको लाइफ में क्या करना है. एंड ही सेइंग कि आप कॉलेज लाइफ भी एंजॉय करो, बट एट द सेम टाइम आप अपने गोल के लिए काम करते जाओ. पर आपका गोल अचीव हो गया यार, देन यू आर हैविंग सो मेनी थिंग्स टू एक्सप्लोर, है ना. आपके पास बहुत सारी चीजें एक्सप्लोर करने के लिए, आप लाइफ में जो करना चाहते हो कर सकते हो. तो बिफोर कंक्लूडिंग दिस, सो व्हाट आर द नेक्स्ट प्लान्स? मींस नाउ यू आर गोइंग टू सेटल इन द लाइफ फॉर सम मैरिज एंड ऑल, और व्हाट इज द फ्यूचर प्लान्स?
Not marriage, definitely, sir. I want to enjoy my life now. So I would take 4 to 5 years for my future goals. I have. I want to get into
what are your plans?
Civil services. Actually.
Civil services. Very
so
good.
I just want to put my efforts. I would take some enough time to prepare 4-5 years. I'll take and prepare for it. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much. Thank you everyone. Thank you. यार आप लोग भी मेहनत करो, और मैं चाहूंगा कि आप लोग भी एक बार मेरे से इसी तरीके से मिलो, दिल की बातें करते हैं, है ना. मतलब happy means I'm running sort of words for him. He is very close to me and I'm very happy he got selected in HPCL. Thank you so much. Thank you everyone. Thank you.